So here what's going on now, guys. So it's literally almost 11 o'clock and I'm here doing some schoolwork and I am fighting sleep and I don't want to fall asleep and I don't want to procrastinate. So I just think of an idea and said, all right, what can I do to keep me awake while I try to do this schoolwork and stuff? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bake some cookies, some chocolate chip cookie. I'm gonna bake some of this so that I can keep awake while I complete my some work. Okay, yes, goody. So yeah, so let's get cracking. So let me just, and in the meantime I think I can answer some more of the questions for you guys. So what I'm gonna do is while I'm mixing up the batter, I'm gonna answer some questions for you guys, and then while the cookies are being baked, I am gonna continue working on my assignment. And yeah, so this will keep me alive for the rest of the night. So let's go.
You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking
for. Okay guys, so let us begin. Cookie. I'm gonna cut this. Pour this in here. And I don't even think my butter is soft enough because it was in the refrigerator, but I'll do my best with this. Alrighty. They say 1 stick, this is 2.5 stick of butter, so let us get this done. So guys, to answer some more questions for y'all, you know I've done a Q&A already. I'm gonna do another one. 1 egg. Alright, so I'm gonna have to mix this all up. First question, describe your dream vacation destination and what activities you'd indulge in. Alright, so my dream vacation is like a bucket list. Like I have a bucket list of things that I want to do. So definitely I want to visit Paris. I want to go to Maldives. I want to visit Finland. I want to go to Africa. Like I want to do some weird stuff, you know. I want to enjoy some white people activities. Like say I want to go somewhere where icy, where I can, what do I call that skating thing. I want to enjoy some of that. I want to ride on like say elephant and so like stuff like that. I want to visit Africa. I want to go to Paris and all of that. So that's basically my dream vacation. Those are some of the things that I want to do. Some really weird, nice, scenic place where I can really enjoy different cultures. This butter is really tough. So anyway, yes, I'm just gonna mix this up. Next question. Share a childhood memory that significantly influenced who you are today. A childhood memory that significantly influenced who I am today. I'd say, alright, as a child growing up, because I wasn't born with a gold spoon in my mouth, so I didn't come from a money family then. I was more brought up from a humble beginnings, and because of that, a lot of people didn't expect much from me. And two, I was very shy growing up, so there were limitations placed on me unfairly because of my background, where I was from, in terms of status, financial status and all of that. So community people, church people who you know, they put limitations on you and think that you can't come to a certain level because of that. And that, I would say, significantly influenced who I am today. So because of those limitations, I purpose within myself that I must prove to myself that I can live above the negative or people's limitations of me. And that was one of the things that gave me the drive to really push hard and try to, you know, be who I am today. So that, I would say, significantly influenced who I am. In terms of next question, if you had a theme song for your life, what would it be? My theme song would be, and this has been my philosophy for simple philosophy for a really long time now. The greatest requirement of having a dream is believing in that dream. And I've lived by that since high school, that I can attain anything I want to attain, I can become anything I want to become. And I kid you not, everything that I told myself I'm gonna do, I have done. And I know that everything that I have within me is yet to be unveiled, and I'm gonna get it done by the grace of God. So that's what I live by. The greatest requirement of having a dream is believing in that dream. And of course, I work towards the dreams that I have within my heart. Next question. What's your favorite food and why does it hold a special place in your heart? Woohoo! I guess a lot of my friends could answer this question. Well, if you said favorite fast food, then definitely that would be KFC. KFC is my favorite fast food, specifically the Zinger. But generally, my favorite food would be curry. I love curry. I love curry chicken. I love curry shrimp. I just love curry. You can give me curry all day long. Like if I should go to a restaurant and order fried chicken, if I can get curry gravy, I'd get it. That's how much I love curry. So that, I'd say, is my favorite food. Alright, next question. I guess my dough is coming together now. Butter is getting soft, so I'm just gonna crumb it up some more, wrap it up some more, like so. Because as I tell you guys, this is what I'm using to keep me up tonight to finish up some work. Although this is not even gonna take long to bake, but at least knowing that I have to look on it, make sure that it bakes and in a bun up, will keep me awake to get this work completed. You know what I'm saying? So my batter is complete and my table is messy, so now I'm gonna drop them on. Let me just swipe this up. Drop them on the pan. Alright, so yeah, so like 2 inches apart, and put one here. Next question. If you could swap lives with someone for a day, who would it be and why? If I could swap lives with someone for a day, who would it be and why? I don't even know if I want to swap lives with anybody. I can't honestly cannot think of who I'd want to swap lives with. So I'm gonna skip that question. What is the most adventurous thing you've ever done and would you do it again? The most adventurous thing I've ever done is, alright, so the most adventurous thing I've done, I believe, is ride a dirt bike and going into a cave with a steep hill that brings you into the cave. I think that is the most. That was scary, but it was fun, it was adventurous, and it was surprising at some point. So I think that was the most adventurous thing I've ever done, I believe. Next question. If you had a superpower, what would it be and how would you use it in your daily life? If I had a superpower, it would be to just make things easy without manpower. If I had a superpower, that's what I would do. wind my magic wand and make things easy so that I don't have to put in any manpower in it. Alright, so these are my cookies. I'm gonna put them in the oven and get them baked. I hope they're not too big so that they join up when they are baked, but let us see. So that would be my superpower, basically, to have that power to just, like, say, wave a magic wand and get what I wanted undone without me having to work. I don't want to work. I just want to make money without working and enjoying life. Okay, so we're gonna put these in the oven right now, and we're gonna give it a few minutes to bake while I keep working on my. I'm gonna answer some more questions for you as well. Or yeah, so these are to go in the oven. I have another tray. I'm just gonna put this that is left on the tray. This can make 2 cookies. I just hope those over there are not too big. So all right, put this here. So yeah, so basically put them in the oven now. We're gonna give them like 17 to 19 or 20 minutes. Let me see, it's 11:42 now, so I'll get them out at 12 o'clock. So let me just answer these other questions for you guys. Next one is, if you could have a celebrity guest on your channel, who would it be and why? A celebrity guest. I think I'd want Diana Ross on my channel. I just always been fascinated with Diana Ross. Growing up, I just love her so much. I like her style of singing, and I always want to meet her growing up. And I think I'd bring her on the channel, let her know how much I admired her growing up. Next question, describe your dream collaboration with another content creator, dead or alive. My dream collab, because alright, so me, I like to do inspirational videos. I am a Christian. I love the Lord with my heart. I love to share the gospel. So a dream collab for me would be with any one of the co-hosts of Better Together on TBN. That would be a nice dream collab. In terms of my personal lifestyle channel, since I'm on this channel, a dream collab for me would be I don't know who would be a dream collab for me for my lifestyle channel at all. Who do I really admire? Oh, I think that guy that developed Mayel hair product, it would be a dream collab that does those nice natural hairstyle. I don't remember his name. I might insert it so you can know who I'm talking. That would be a dream collab for me. And lastly, if you could teleport to any place in the world right now, where would you go and why? If I could teleport, I think I would go to Paris. I just think I've always been fascinated about Paris. I just want to go and experience Paris, you know what I'm saying? So if I could teleport, I'd teleport. Also, I'd teleport to Israel. Well, not now, right now, because the war going on and all these things, but I always want to visit the Holy Land. Always. That's been a dream of mine. I don't know if it's gonna be possible anymore, but yeah. So Paris, Israel, those are my 2 topics. So I guess right now this is it for my Q&A, and your girl just gonna go ahead and finish up her work while those cookies are baked, and in the next, let me see, what time is it now? In a few more minutes they will be ready. So I'm gonna show you guys the end result, so stay tuned for that. Okay, great.
A few minutes later.
So it's literally 4 to 12, but I do believe that they are ready. So we're just gonna go in the oven and look and see if they're ready now and get them right out. Let us go. The edges, I think the edges are golden brown, so I'm gonna have to get them out because I don't want them to burn. So these are nice. Oh, guys, I think they're almost burned. What do you think? Lovely. All right, so I'm just gonna let these cool down, and then I'm gonna finish my schoolwork. So guys, it's now 1:30 and I'm finished now. So I'm gonna have one of the cookie. It came out well. I know I'm not supposed to be having this, but it really is like a treatment. So don't judge me. But that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share with a friend, become a part of the Kaylia gang, and I can always say I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.